I ask you what convenience means to you, then what would you choose? A location, a spacious home, or all kind of social infrastructure within 3 to 5 kilometers of distance? And if you do not have to choose any one of them and get all these in one place, then what would you say? Today's locality review is on one such locality. Yes, I am talking about Safdarjung Enclave. Hi, I'm Neha Nagpal. Welcome to yet another episode of This Locality, That Project. Located right in center of South Delhi, Safdarjung Enclave has got all type of properties within it. From 2 and 3 BHK, middle income single floors to well laid out premium spacious bungalows. Scale and volume of houses makes it one of the top search localities on Magic Bricks. So in this locality, we will discuss about what kind of properties are available here, how much you have to shell out to own a property in this locality, how well this locality is connected with other major hubs of Delhi, its neighborhood and profile of buyers, the facilities this locality offers, and why this locality is one of the top searched on Magic Bricks. It is well connected by major roads on 3 sides. On one side, it lies on Africa Avenue. To its north is the Ring Road, and it is also ringed by the Deer Park Road that meets at Africa Avenue only. The Humayun Nagar Road bisects Safdarjung Enclave. There are 3 important metro stations that service Safdarjung Enclave. Bikaji Cama Place metro station on the Pink Line on the Ring Road, the Green Park metro station on the Yellow Line, and RK Puram metro station on the Magenta Line on the Outer Ring Road. All are within 2 kilometers. The locality shares borders with Green Park Extension, Hauz Khas and RK Puram Sector 2. The Lal Dora colonies like Humayun, Arjun Nagar and Krishna Nagar are also part of these blocks. The Indira Gandhi Delhi International Airport is half an hour and 15 kilometers away from Safdarjung Enclave. Those who travel from trains, the Nizamuddin Railway Station will be the closest. It is about 10 kilometers away. Through NH8 or via Lodi Road, you can reach here within 15 minutes. The adjoining Bikaji Cama Place has several private, government and semi-government offices. Ambience Public School, St. Mary's, Greenfield and Delhi Police Public Schools are situated in Safdarjung Enclave. Government hospitals like All India Institute of Medical Sciences are within 10 to 15 minutes of this locality. Private hospitals like Max Multi-Speciality Center and Moolchand are also located within 5 kilometers and can be reached within 15 minutes. For leisure and shopping, the famous South X Market Part 1 and Part 2 and also Sarojini Nagar Market are only 5 to 10 minutes away. The Hauz Khas village, which is also known for restaurants, cafes, bars, boutique and designer stores in Hauz Khas, is one of the popular spots for youngsters to hang out. The famous Deer Park is a popular picnic spot present nearby Safdarjung Tomb. Power supply is stable here. Water is supplied by the Delhi Jal Board and distributed by the South Delhi Municipal Corporation. The usual water supply timings are 7 to 9 in the morning and 6 to 8:30 p.m. in the evening. However, at times in summers, the shortage of water supply persists. Therefore, people here have to rely on packaged water bottles. Safety and security is well managed in the locality. All blocks are gated and guarded. The area is a plotted development with residents belonging to middle and upper middle class. A1, A2 and B1 are the premium blocks where properties are priced higher than the rest of the blocks. You will find plots from 120 square yards to 500 square yards on 30 feet road or on 60 feet road respectively. With floor construction happening across Delhi, Safdarjung too saw spurt in development of builder floors. This further has opened buying possibilities for those who couldn't have otherwise afford to buy in the locality. The construction of these builder floors are done by the local developers who functions in and around in the locality. Magic Bricks data shows that builder floor is the most preferred and searched property type here. The supply of the builder floor stands at 93%. There are few multi-story apartments also available which are merely at 7%. and in that you'll find 3 to 4 BHKs which are most demanded. The supply of 2 BHK here is only 9%, while for 3 BHK it is at 49% and for 4 BHK it is at 42%. As this locality is well established and is in the heart of Delhi, the property prices are high here. A 2 BHK of sizes between 750 square feet to 1200 square feet is available in the price of 1 crore 10 lakh to 2 crore 25 lakhs. 3 BHK here is in the sizes of 1250 square feet to 2200 square feet. The price starts from 2 crore 25 lakh and goes up to 4 crore 99 lakhs. And for a 4 BHK which is available in the sizes of 1500 square feet to 3600 square feet, it starts from 2 crore 75 lakh and goes up to 8 crores. The Magic Bricks search results shows that the demand for 2 BHK stands at 11%, for 3 BHK it is at 45% and for 4 BHK it stands at 44%. Those who are looking for cheaper properties, options within 50 to 80 lakhs are available in Humayun, Arjun Nagar and Krishna Nagar. These are the urban villages, hence paperwork can be an issue here. For rented accommodation, there are many options available here, but one has to shell out between 40,000 to 85,000 monthly. So a quick wrap up on the locality. Access to 3 metro stations. All these metro stations are located within 2 kilometers. Well connected by road. Close to Hauz Khas village, which is one of the popular restaurant hub in South Delhi. Electricity is not an issue here. However, water distribution is erratic during summers. Other than restaurants, the social infrastructure like schools, malls, hospitals or high street markets all are available within 3 to 5 kilometers of the distance. Gated and well guarded locality, and safety and security is not an issue here. However, there are some lanes which are narrow, therefore residents face parking issues. I hope you like this review. If you have any query on Safdarjung Enclave or any other locality, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video. And please don't forget to like and share and subscribe MBTV. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.